everybody, welcome back to the Sock City YouTube channel, and for today's video we are doing a Valentine's inspired video because Valentine's Day is right around the corner and it doesn't take anything expensive or over the top to make your Valentines feel cared about and loved. This is for you who want to do something sweet and cheap and special for your Valentines or your Galentines. I chose these socks because they're freaking adorable. They got these elephants on them and little hearts in the middle with them kissing and with their tails together. Love it. These are just so adorable and cute. And this is how my basket turned out. That's how easy it is for Valentine's. That's how easy it can be for Valentine's Day for you and your Valentines or your Galentines or whoever you want to get anything for. So this is how my basket turned out. I love her. She's so cute. I did show you in the video how you can add the socks to each basket. I showed you two different ways how I would like to do it, but you can do it however you want. So this is so cute. All it took was a few different things. This is so cheap. And I know whoever would get this would love it. And for this one, I just have it rolled up a little bit with the toe parts hanging out, and I like this way because it can just hang over the front and you can see the socks on display and they're a little more showing than the other way. So I think I like this way a little bit better because then you can see the cute socks a little bit more. And I just have a few fun things that I've organized in this basket with this cute basket with the hearts on it. But my favorite thing in the basket, of course, are these fun Sock City Valentine's Day socks. And we have tons of options you can pick from for your little basket for your Valentines. And we have other options that you don't have to get Valentines if you don't want to. Because some people don't like Valentines. So this is, make yourself a little self-care box if you don't like Valentine's Day. Anyway, here it is, and it's that simple, that easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to tune in next time, and please comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. Thanks, bye.